Hi guys, this is me Aditi. Staying hydrated is essential for a healthy lifestyle and I recently found the perfect companion for it. The Milton Aura 500 Thermo Steel bottle is the perfect way to carry your favorite beverage with you. Let me show you. This 500 ml bottle is made of stainless steel and is designed to keep your beverages hot or cold for up to 24 hours. It has a double-walled vacuum insulation with an inner copper coating for better temperature retention. It is spill-proof and leak-proof, making it easy to carry with you. It also has a carry string for easy portability. The Milton Aura 500 Thermo Steel bottle is the perfect companion for your everyday needs. Whether you are at the gym, office, home, or on a picnic, this bottle is the perfect way to stay hydrated. It is available in a stylish black color and is ideal for self-use or gifting.
When it comes to buying bottles and flasks, whether for carrying water, beverages, or soups, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best products that suit your needs and keep your drinks at the desired temperature. Bottles and flasks are essential for staying hydrated and enjoying your favorite beverages conveniently. Here's a comprehensive buying guide to help you make the right choices. Material. Bottles and flasks come in various materials, each with its advantages. Stainless steel. Sturdy, durable and excellent for maintaining the temperature of both hot and cold drinks. Look for food-grade stainless steel to ensure safety. Glass. Non-toxic, eco-friendly and easy to clean. Glass bottles are a great option for those who prefer to avoid plastic or metal containers. Plastic. Lightweight and shatterproof, making them ideal for on-the-go use. Look for BPA-free and food-grade certified plastic for safety. Vacuum-insulated, double-walled bottles and flasks with vacuum insulation provide superior temperature retention for hours. Size and capacity. Consider your daily hydration needs or beverage quantity preferences and choose a bottle or flask with the appropriate size and capacity. Smaller bottles are great for short outings, while larger ones are ideal for all-day hydration. Airtight seal. Look for bottles and flasks with a secure and leak-proof lid to prevent spills and maintain the temperature of your drinks. Insulation and temperature retention. For keeping drinks hot or cold, opt for vacuum-insulated bottles and flasks as they offer excellent temperature retention properties. Portability and carrying options. Consider bottles and flasks with comfortable handles, straps or clips for easy carry. Some bottles come with attachable carabiners for attaching the bags. Ease of cleaning. Choose bottles and flasks with wide openings or removable parts to facilitate easy cleaning, especially if you plan to use them for different types of beverages. Versatility. Some bottles and flasks come with removable infusers or strainers, allowing you to infuse water with fruits or brew tea on the go. Design and style. Select bottles and flasks with designs that suit your personal style and preferences. Many options are available in various colors and patterns. Eco-friendly options. Consider reusable bottles and flasks made from sustainable materials to reduce plastic waste and promote environmental responsibility. By considering these factors, you can choose bottles and flasks that meet your hydration and beverage needs, keeping your drinks fresh and easily accessible wherever you go. Happy shopping!